Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm so excited to be doing a clean and decorate with me for Christmas. We are going to get all the Christmassy bits out. I'm ready to deck the halls, get everything ready and festive. So I kindly asked my husband to bring everything from the garage, all the decorations in here. I obviously couldn't carry all of them myself because, if you don't know, I'm nearly 8 months pregnant now. This is what we are working with today. I've got these storage boxes full of Christmassy bits, so I'm gonna go through them and decorate around here, like the TV, that area, around the hallway, everything like that. Then we've got a light up little tree that I'm gonna use somewhere around the house. I haven't decided yet where I'm gonna put that. And then we also have our tree here, which I am actually going to wait to put up when my son Victor comes back home from school. So he comes home after 3 p.m. It might be a little dark by then, but that's fine. I'll just turn on the twinkly lights because he really wants to help me decorate. I mean, obviously, what kid doesn't? So I'm gonna wait to do that with him, but I'm gonna do all the rest of the little bits here and there around the home myself. This is our tree. It's a Wilco one. We got this a few years ago. I can't remember how many, like 3 years ago maybe. It's a 7-foot one, so it's quite a big one. It's lasted really well throughout the years, and yeah, I think it's a really lovely Christmas tree, and you save money every year because you don't have to buy a new one each year. So yeah, that's what we are working with. And then we have this like skirting thing that goes obviously around the Christmas tree base, and this one was from Dunelm, I believe, last year, 2 years ago, I think. So yeah, that is what I'm working with. Now, before we get into decorating, I just wanted to show you a parcel that I got today. I've got my little parcel from Ana Luisa. I always get so excited when I get these in the post because they have such lovely pieces of jewelry. I have been working with them for years now, and I think pretty much any piece of jewelry that you see me wearing these days is from Ana Luisa because I just love them so much. It's the only thing I wear these days, other than obviously my wedding ring and things like that. But yeah, I've got quite a bit of a collection going from them. I just love that they're such timeless pieces. Like, they look so lovely and they go with pretty much anything. I've got this charm necklace that I'm wearing. I got this, I think, last year or 2 years ago, and they are such good quality too. Like, they last so well. And I have quite a few that I wear on repeat. Even these earrings, the tiny little pearl ones, I love these so much. I wear these pretty much every single day. So I'm gonna show you what I picked this time around. I love that they're carbon neutral, so they really care about, you know, the impact that they have on the planet. So they're very conscious about that, which I love. So their packaging is very minimal always. So that's nice. So let's open them up. Now, first thing that I got, oh, I'm so excited about this one. I've got the ear cuff. This is what it looks like. It's so tiny. I'm gonna put it on and show you what it looks like. So it's a tiny ear cuff like this, and I love it because I really like the look of kind of layering pieces of earrings or even layering necklaces. And the thing is, I love how earrings look stacked up, but I am so much of a wuss. I don't think I would ever get my ears pierced again. Yeah, I just don't think I would do it, but I feel like this, because you don't have to have a hole for it, it's perfect for that. So yeah, it just kind of makes me feel a bit more edgy, even though I don't actually have another hole in my ear there. Yeah, I love that piece. So let me see what else is in here. Oh, I got another pair of earrings. I really liked the look of these. So these are some hoop earrings. They are in the medium size, I believe. They have a few different sizes in these. You can get smaller ones or larger ones depending on your style. I wanted to get the medium sized ones. I'm so excited to wear these as well. Now, next piece that I've got, it looks really lovely. It's a gemstone one. So it's a necklace, it looks like this, and it's in a green gemstone. I believe they had the gemstone in a few different colors. I thought it looked really lovely and just kind of a bit different. So that's another piece that I got. And then I've got the classic necklace that I always wear, the mama one. I get asked about this particular one a lot on my Instagram stories. Whenever I wear it, I get questions about it. So it's from Ana Luisa, as all of my jewelry. Because I already have the mama necklace, which I wear a lot. It's definitely my favorite one out of all the ones that I have. And I got another one because I wanted to gift this to someone as well. I feel like all of these pieces of jewelry are such lovely gift ideas for the holidays. So if you're looking for some ideas on what to get people, I think these would be amazing. And you can also get a discount on them. So I've got a coupon code for you. If you use Madeline Vlogs 20, you will get 20% off any of these pieces of jewelry. So yeah, whether you want to treat yourself or treat your loved ones, this is the perfect opportunity to do so. So So yeah, it will all be linked in the description box. I really love that they're on the more affordable side of jewelry, but they're still really good quality ones. And you can also get a discount on top of that, so I feel like that's a really, really good deal. So yeah, don't forget to have a look in the description box for all of these.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time. Smile, my dear. Come on in, come on up, come on over. We'll be dancing round the tree. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. We know the time is short. We blink and then it's gone. So we better make the most of what we've got. So take your neighbor by the hand and join the dance parade before the clock strikes and it's all too late.
Okay, so I finished decorating most of the downstairs. I've actually also gone through our decorations and kind of purged a bit, decluttered, and I'm getting rid of a few of them that we haven't used last year. I remember we haven't used them, and I don't think we're gonna use them this year either. So that's a clear indication we don't actually need as many decorations. I also want to try to keep it a bit more minimal. So yeah, I am kind of getting rid of a few of them and just keeping the things that I really love and that make me really happy. I just want to make it easier on myself with kind of decorating and the storage of all of these items and yeah, everything like that, because I feel like it can get quite crazy with Christmas stuff especially. So now I am just going to go and pick up Victor from school, and then when we get back we're going to start decorating the Christmas tree. I've also got his decorations in a bin. I took them upstairs in his room so that he can do that as well. Yeah, I'm excited to bring him and start decorating the tree.
Oh, Merry Christmas! Oh, ho, ho!
What are we doing?
We're decorating the Christmas tree.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Who is on his merry way? It's Santa. Who wants nothing more than bring you joy? Who has got a flying sleigh but Santa? Who keeps track of every girl and boy? The whole world knows him well as Saint Nick or Père Noël, and once a year he'll go barreling through the snow. Who makes every Christmas gift? It's Santa. Who comes down the chimney late at night? Who gives every heart a lift? It's Santa. Who is pulled by reindeer on his flight? From house to house he'll go, putting on his show. Don't ask me how he's done in time. I just know he seems to do just fine. The whole world knows him well as Saint Nick or Père Noël, and once a year he'll go barreling through the snow. From house to house he'll go.
Yes, I do hope you have enjoyed today's video, kind of coming along to clean and decorate with me for Christmas. Don't forget to check out the Ana Luisa jewelry in the description box. It will all be linked there with the discount code as well. And yeah, I hope you're having a lovely day and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.